Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
Once upon a time, a small boy named Alex discovered a dragon egg. From it hatched Sparky, a tiny dragon with scales of emerald and gold. Alex and Sparky became the best of friends, an unusual pair. They explored hidden glades and climbed the highest mountains together. Their laughter echoed through valleys, a melody of pure joy. Every day was a new adventure, a new story waiting to unfold. One day, they discovered a hidden, sparkling waterfall. Sparky breathed a tiny puff of smoke, creating a rainbow. Alex cheered, their bond growing stronger with each passing moment. Through thick and thin, they faced every challenge together. Their friendship, a beacon of hope, shone brightly for all. And so, the boy and his dragon lived happily ever after.
Hey there, storytellers and creators. Welcome to this tutorial on how to bring your words to life using Videos AI, the smart, intuitive platform that transforms simple text into dynamic, engaging animated videos. Whether you're creating content for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or even business presentations, Videos AI gives you the power to animate stories in just a few clicks. And guess what? There's a brand new feature on the dashboard, Create from Video, that expands your creative possibilities even further. So let's walk through everything step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any idea into an animated masterpiece. Let's get started. Now, first things first, log in into your Videos AI account. I'll put the link in the description below. If you haven't created one yet, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. So here you'll see four main options for creating a video. You have create from text, create from URL, create from script, and create from video. So each of these offers a different path depending on your starting material. Now let's begin with the most common method, create from text. So click on this option and you'll be taken to a prompt box where you can enter your story, script, or concept. This could be anything from a short story, explainer content, motivational quote series, to an educational summary. So, for example, let's put a quick story about a time traveler exploring ancient civilizations. Not sure if your text is strong enough, want new ideas, or fresh phrasing? You can click AI Assistant button, which will generate several enhanced prompt ideas based on your input. Now, once you fill in your story, you're ready for the next step. You'll also be asked to choose your target platform, TikTok, YouTube, etc. Language, English, video type, narrative, promotional, etc. Now, if you have a web page with text like a blog post or article, just paste the URL into the Create from URL option. Videos AI will scrape the content, extract the relevant text, and prepare it for video generation. Perfect for bloggers, journalists, and SEO content creators. Let's move on to create from script. If you already have script structured for video, complete with scene directions, speaker cues, or subtitles, you can use create from script. This gives you control over how your video is built from start to finish, using your own structure as a blueprint. Now here comes the newest and most exciting addition, create from video. With this option, you can upload an existing video and Videos AI will transcribe the spoken words, break it into scenes, and then reformat it into a new animated version or repurpose it for another platform. This is incredibly useful for repurposing long YouTube videos into shorts, rebranding older content, turning talking head clips into stylized animations. Down here, you also have quick start templates. So I'm just going to use animated AI film. So click on it. And here it will ask you about your topic. So just input your topic. My topic is about a girl and a snake who lives in a cursed castle. Then down here, the video is intended for. So you have a lot to choose from, YouTube Short, Instagram Reel, Instagram Story, etc. But I will choose YouTube Explainer for this video. Use AI generated media. You also have stock media, extracted media, etc. Then the video duration. So I'll choose 1 minute, but the longest video duration is 5 minutes, so it's up to you. Use media style, so I'll choose Disney character. And then choose language, music, details, voice actor, etc. After that, click on generate. Click next. Here you'll customize video title, duration, whether you want short, medium, long, orientation, portrait for TikTok, Instagram, or landscape for YouTube, voice over language. Now make sure these settings match your platform and audience needs. Now click on generate and let the magic happen. Videos AI will analyze your input and begin creating scenes. In a few moments, your video will be ready for preview, and you'll be redirected to the editor page where the real power of the tool shines. Now on the editor page, you'll find a timeline at the bottom, your script on the left, and the corresponding animated clips on the right. From here, you can swap out clips, rearrange scenes, edit the text. You can add or remove music, adjust pacing, or voiceovers. This hands on control helps refine your story before publishing. Now, once satisfied, you can then download the video, share it directly to social platforms, or export it for further editing. And here is our generated video. Let's watch it.
Once upon a time, in a frosty village, lived a boy named Kai. But Kai was no ordinary boy. He held a secret. One day, playing near the frozen lake, Kai discovered his incredible gift, ice powers. A simple touch, and frost flowers bloomed. A focused thought, and ice crystals danced in the air. But mastering such power was no easy task. Every surge was a challenge, a test of control. He spent hours practicing, pushing his limits, learning to harness the magic within him. With each passing day, Kai grew stronger, more confident. His ice powers became an extension of himself. Yet, with great power comes great responsibility. Kai knew he had to use his gift wisely. A blizzard threatened his village. Homes were at risk, and fear gripped everyone's hearts. Kai knew what he had to do. It was time to put his powers to the ultimate test. With a deep breath, Kai channeled his energy. He created an enormous ice barrier, protecting his home. The village was safe, thanks to Kai. He wasn't just a boy with ice powers, he was a hero. And so, Kai continued to protect his village, his ice powers a symbol of hope for all.
And here are other examples.
In a forgotten realm, an ancient castle looms, shrouded in mystery. Alara, a brave girl, dares to enter, drawn by whispered legends. Cobwebs cling, shadows dance, and an eerie silence fills the air. Suddenly, a hiss echoes. A snake appears, scales shimmering. He speaks. His voice, a silken whisper, warns of a curse. Can Alara break the spell? Or will the castle claim another soul? The snake, Ka, reveals the castle's tragic past and its dark secret. A heartbroken queen, a betrayal, and a curse born of despair. Only a pure heart can lift the curse, Ka says, with hope. Alara accepts the challenge, her spirit ignited with purpose. Together, they search for the queen's lost locket, the key to freedom. Will they succeed and bring light back to the cursed castle? Find out now.
And that's it. You now have everything you need to create amazing animated stories with Videos AI. Whether you're starting with text, a video, or a full script, Videos AI is the answer. Now, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, or subscribe for more creative tutorials like this. See you in the next one. Introducing Articleize. Turn anything into a quality article with just one click. Be it YouTube video, Facebook post, Reddit post, LinkedIn post, AI content, etc. Get traffic in any niche with content that catches the latest topics, trend, and keywords. It comes with powerful AI editor, works in any language, generates images, create articles from the social web, and easy to use. Create fresh and original articles that Google loves to rank. Post your articles to WordPress or Tumblr with one click. Rank for AI search like Google and ChatGPT by powering your content with Quora and Reddit. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Articleize now. Just go to getarticleize.in.